Also got like a 3rd-degree burn right there on that spot. Hi and welcome back. If you're new to the channel, first time, we're working on a '71 Bronco. But I think today, I don't know if you can hear, we got a storm rolling through. So I'm trying to be kind of louder. But all I want to do this morning is to get the driver's side pan in before work. Actually tack it down. Going to use the spot weld holes and do a lot of welding today. Nothing moved over the past day or so, so I think we're in a good spot. We do have to put some more screws in that back flange on the driver's side. I noticed there's a pretty good gap in there, so put a few more in those so we can get the spot welds on those, and or put a few more screws so we can get some spot welds on those. If we get the pan in and it doesn't take too long, then we'll either take the screws out and start plug welding, or we may go to the inner fender and tack that down. I'm not 100% sure yet, but I'm gonna try to set you somewhere where you can see. I don't know if my head's gonna get in the way or not, but anyways, let's head over there. I'll give you one quick look while it's not raining so hard and kind of show you what we're gonna do today. All right, basically, want to get all the not plug welds, but the spot welds done. And as you can tell, we got a pretty good gap there for that one. So we're gonna put a couple screws, more in here to kind of bring that lower. And if we get the spot welds in, then we may come to the inner rocker and start putting those in. That's gonna be one long messy weld through there, so we may wait on that. Or we may take the screws out of the pan and start plug welding, but I'd like to get all the spot welds done today. I don't know if that's possible, but probably set you all over here somewhere and try not to get in the way too much. Well, I ran out of wire. That stinks. As far as we got today, gonna go get some more. Welds don't look bad, but they don't look good. And it's, I think they're pretty well stuck. When this kick panel comes off, we'll really see if they hold. But we're gonna continue welding. Probably gonna put some weld around here. I know there's a brace right in here, I believe. I think it's right there. We may put some self-tapping screws in it and then pull them back out and plug weld. Forgot about that fender brace there. And we got most of this side done. Just need to have more wire. And I know I don't have it. I know I don't have any in here. That was my last spool. So I'll pick some more up today, and then next time we'll finish this pan out, hopefully. Had issues over here with this not wanting to go down, but I think I got it. Just need to hammer it a little more right there. But we'll get the pan, then we'll tack the inner rocker, then we'll take the kick panel off. We'll make our marks though for some holes. Take it off and make sure this thing just don't go pop up. Which I don't think it should, but you never know. Also got like a 3rd-degree burn right there on that spot. One of them sparks with the welder really dug in my skin there. Hurts. But yeah, like I said, I think it's pretty good. I try to get a screwdriver underneath some stuff and nothing will pop off like I did on the pasture side, so I think we may be all right. Well, rain's coming down harder now. Anyways, I'll get some more welding wire and we'll continue on with the pan next time. That's all I got for you today. See you next time.